Hi there folks, how it's going? Let's create just a simple button and choose this pretty blue color for it. Now as usual we can add some call to action text and plug this button into the component. We can just start using this button as is. It looks just fine, but we can make it a way more efficient and way more better. There are some layers that can be removed, so let's do it. I'm selecting this rectangle, copying its properties by pressing Command Option and CK, and then deleting it. Now I'm choosing the component frame and pasting those properties. So I just press Option, Command and VK. Button was optimized, now we can create more instances and start using them.